Thank you, Madam Speaker. I rise to ask question 58 of 2017, standing in my name, to the Prime Minister, Minister for i-Taukei Affairs, Sugar Industry and Foreign Affairs. Would the Prime Minister inform the Parliament whether any steps have been taken by government to ensure the family of the late Ashneel Singh, killed in a road accident in October 2015 by a vehicle driven by a South African diplomat, have been compensated by the South African government?
Thank you, the Honourable Prime Minister.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I thank the honourable member for the question. What happened to Mr. Singh in October 2015, Madam Speaker, was a tragedy, and again extend my most sincere condolences to the Singh family. But it's important to note, Madam Speaker, that Mr. Theodorus Mostert, the South African diplomat involved in the accident, passed away in South Africa shortly after leaving Fiji. I hope Mr. Prem Singh, Honorable Prem Singh, knows of that passing. But while Mr. Mostert was in Fiji, he, like every diplomat serving here in our islands, was protected by the diplomatic immunity. Fiji, along with nearly every country in the world, is party to the Vienna Convention, which protects all diplomats, including those Fijians serving in our missions abroad, from civil and administrative jurisdiction. These are the rules every nation must play in their engagement with the world. His diplomatic immunity prevented any investigation of the incident from moving forward, as the South African government has not waived his diplomatic immunity. As a result, the facts of the case remain unclear. While we would have hoped the South African government would have waived immunity and allowed for a thorough investigation, that has not happened. And as a result, there can be no legal action taken by Fiji. This incident has been upsetting for me as Prime Minister, Madam Speaker, and I can only imagine the pain that Mr. Singh's death has caused his loved ones. But in these moments of great tragedy, we must try and take away what lessons we can, and we must always remain alert on the road. We must always be proactive about our own safety. We can only speculate on the specific of this tragedy, but in the situation, wearing a seatbelt can mean the difference between life and death. So I would end with a plea to every Fijian and everyone in Fiji to always buckle up. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. Honourable Prem Singh.
Madam Speaker, a supplementary question. Is it right for the insurance companies, that is Tower Insurance, to deny the family of Ashneel Singh third-party payment on the basis that late Mr. Singh was killed in an accident by someone with diplomatic immunity? The third-party cover was with Tower Insurance, late Mr. Singh's vehicle.
Thank you, Honourable Prime Minister.
Madam Speaker, I think he's gone off the tracks. There's no third-party insurance claim. It's a head-on collision, and it's quite fairly different.
Thank you.